Again, Chris from SheffLOCK. So as you can see, this is the result of having fitted the correct anti-snap locks and handles, all accredited and police approved. You can see the handles are curved, as pointed out there. It's also got an anti-drill spinning plate, so if they try and drill the lock, that just spins, makes it very, very difficult to get in. These are tried and tested, never been beaten. Numerous attempts on the locks alone, always fail. So if you're looking just there, there's a flick switch on the inside, so we'll just demonstrate what that's all about. It's a unique deadlock switch, so you can lock it with the key as normal. You don't have to use the flick switch at the top. But as we open the door and then close it again, what you'll find is you don't need the key. When somebody's inside, you can just flick that switch down. The key cannot be used inside or out to override that, so it's great for scenarios where the keys have been lost, the door's open, you need to lock it, make it secure, or if somebody steals a key, they can't get in. So that's a great security feature. All these products are available and many more at SheffLOCK. Give us a call, we do free surveys.